Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, that's a nice little dirty mag, little L5P right there. I like it. I think that is it a Black Widow or it's just all black? I don't know. I don't think it's a Black Widow edition because usually they got like that spider on it. But it is a good looking truck, I must say. But now, guys, we are pulling up over here to Vinyl Viral Works to check on Steve. Head on in, and well, I'm going to show you what we're checking on over here. They got some of my merchandise here, and hopefully it should be ready soon, I think. All right, let's go check on them, guys. What the? Let's go. I'm suing. Oh shit, he's on the. Why every time I come in here, this guy's like he's closing the door on me, guys. Look at that. He just slammed the door shut on me right there. He told me to kick rocks. He want nothing to do with me, guys. See that? See the service he gives me? The hell with him. What's up, Hector? How you doing, man? How are you? Me too, man. Thank you, thank you. This thing, what is it? Back again?
Yeah, front bumper.
What are you guys doing to it? Oh, what the hell happened to the front bumper? What did you guys do?
It cracked. Remember we had it sanded down and stuff, and it cracked like under the vinyl.
Oh crap! Hey, what's going on? Who's that sitting in there?
Just telling Steve they're talking about.
Huh? No. Who's that guy sitting in there?
Elon Musk.
Oh, you see that, guys? See Elon in there sitting there? Jeez. Well, I'll let you guys know why I'm here in a second once he's out of his important meeting over there, and we'll see if my merchandise is done yet. What's up, Jimmy? How you doing, man?
Good, man.
You know why I'm here?
For your snow camo on the
Yeah, we need to get that snow camo going.
Awesome.
So, because we got Thunderbolt races coming up.
Alright, cool. Let's sit down, see what we got.
Let's do it. So, guys, while we are here, you guys know I'm going to get my generator wrapped, that blue one, but I want to get it wrapped snow camo, because you guys know I'm a huge camo fan, but I do like the snow camo, the white, black. Oh, there he is. He's in a very important meeting. That's why he slammed the door on me over there. He don't want nothing to do with me, Ryan. That's okay. It's acceptable. That's why we're just gonna hang out with Jimmy here and not even gonna bother with Steve. Jimmy?
Yeah.
Should I be concerned about this, man?
Yeah, sure.
So who's the? First of all, whose is this?
Mine.
Oh, this is yours.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, no problem. I'll just leave it at that and let you guys comment down below and figure out what that is. Is it really, that bad of a juice? Nah, I'm okay. I'm kind of actually scared to touch this thing now. I don't have fingerprints and stuff on it. We'll just get back to, yeah, we'll just get back to my generator. So, first of all, how do we even know measurements and stuff? Oh, look, now he wants to come out. Oh, shit.
You can come sit in if you want.
No, I'm scared, man. I don't know if I want to come in there, man. Now he wants to be friendly with me, guys. See that? I walk in, he slams the door on me, gives me the finger. Now he says, oh, you come on in the office. You see that? You see how he flips? He's like a woman. See those women? They do the same thing. Oh, she's going to disagree with me on that. No, I'm just joking, guys. That's only Steve. Steve does that. All right. What do we got here? I like that. Actually, you know what I think I want to do? I think I want to do the Digi camo instead of the snow camo.
You can do Digi snow camo?
Yeah, I think I want to do Digi snow camo. So guys, I'll show you a little process of how, the process of how this gets done over here. So he goes to a specific website, gets me a picture. I get a phone call to interrupt everything. I'm sorry, 1 second, guys. Look at this guy. Tell him, let's pull up a Digi Snow Camo. What does he pull up? A deli making Philly cheesesteak. What the? What?
Well, this, you gotta eat.
Jeez. Taking our food order right now. Ooh. What are my other options? Give me some more options. I can't only do one. I like that. Oh, that's nice.
The red?
I like that red, black, and white. Damn. Never mind. Actually, don't give me too many options. Now you might mess with me too much.
Turkey.
Steve, what do you think? I'm liking this Digi Snow Camo, but I also like this red.
I don't like red.
What? All right, we're not doing red. Fine. You what? I like this right here. What is that one?
That's like the same as that one, but a little bit more, a little less.
Looks a little distorted, like your mind.
Yeah, why is it a little distorted, man?
Because they don't want you to steal it.
Oh. So how are you gonna get it?
Oh, this is a sample.
Oh,
That's
so
the sample right there.
oh, okay, I see. And show me just regular snow camo, not digi.
Okay.
Let me see that option. It's hot.
It is.
Are you ready for my truck? I might need you to do me a favor.
A lot of those. Sorry.
Let me know. Let me know if you can make it happen. So, supposedly, my truck is supposed to come in Thursday or Friday.
Okay.
We have a truck event going on Sunday, this Sunday, at Fiesta Island.
Okay.
If the truck comes in Thursday, Friday, do you think I could bring it here and you do a sticker and tint all the windows?
Yeah.
You think?
Before Sunday? Yeah.
Before Sunday.
You'd have to let me know. Well, is it coming in Thursday or Friday?
I don't, well, he said for sure this week. So the truck just got there this morning at the dealership. He said they got to run, like, I don't know, their inspection, whatever the hell they got to do.
Okay.
And he said, oh, by about maybe Thursday, Friday. I don't even know the exact date, to be honest with you.
Yeah, we can do it.
So I can go pick it up, I guess. I got to drive all the way to Huntington Beach. Or if I bring it Friday, can you make it happen, all that in one day?
The logos and stuff, yeah, it's no problem. The window tint, if we're doing crystalline, I got.
Yeah, no, I got to have the
I
best.
gotta have one guy only installs that, so I'm gonna have to schedule him. So it just depends. If I can, if you'll have it, if you think for sure you'll have it Thursday or Friday, we can try to schedule him for Saturday.
Okay. How about, did you ever figure out that crystalline, that's the best one you said, right?
Yeah, I just got a new one, and that was the guy that was here right before we got here. He brought us this. This is Solar Guard's crystalline.
Yeah, but what's better?
I don't know. You haven't used this one, but this one's got really good reviews.
I don't think I want to try something new on my truck.
I think do crystalline.
Okay. Now, do we know darkness? Because as you guys, I don't know if you guys do know, but I found out that I think they don't even make it in limo. Do they make it in limo or no?
I don't believe crystalline comes in limo. That's it.
So what's the darkest?
I believe it's 20.
20, so I gotta go like a 20 and 20?
You want to double up on the film?
Yeah, because I usually do double limo.
Yeah? Let me call my guy and see what he's got.
Okay, and then for the windshield.
How dark you want to go?
I don't know. We'll talk about that and
50
figure
or
that out.
70.
Well, he's on the phone right now,
let me figure
guys.
it out, and let me see what we
Trying to
can do.
figure out tint for my truck.
Either way, I'm going to need the windshield done on that no matter what. Okay? All right.
Trying to figure out windshield type and all that stuff. Okay, what do we find out about it?
Your windows, 100% were not crystalline. Crystalline comes in 20%.
20%. Okay.
So if you were double layered 5, you were double layered 5% in either FX Premium or Color Stable. Since you said it had markings on it,
It had a 3M mark on it.
100% it was 3M Color Stable, which is
Okay.
great film. There's nothing wrong with it. That's what I recommend to everybody for their side windows.
Okay.
Crystalline is made for really windshields or like DB11s and things like that, where they're really concerned about like the dashboards cracking, things like that. I don't think you'll have those issues. I think Color Stable will do you fine, 5% all the way around. You could double that, and then do your windshield in crystalline. Then you'll get good heat rejection. You have 2 layers of 5%, so I mean, it's going to give you the same benefit.
All right.
You cannot do 2 layers of crystalline.
Okay, so you guys, I guess, people that out there that want to get this crystalline, so you guys don't get ripped off. Steve's going to try to explain to you guys, I don't know, I mean, what's going to prevent, these people from getting ripped off? Because crystalline is extremely, extremely expensive, but it works amazing. I mean, you can literally put a heat gun to it and nothing, no heat comes out of it. It's incredible. But, I mean, for my example, like he's saying, the tint I got my guy, it was limo, and he said it was crystalline. Well, just to find out, Steve called the main guy, and they don't even make it in 5. So, how are they going to make sure they don't get ripped off? I mean,
using
is there
a 3M certified center, somebody that's able to purchase the film. So a lot of the
how are they going to find out though?
If you go online, it'll give you a list of 3M certified centers that carry the film. But you can also look at the film. The film will
it looks like a mirror.
Like this. See how it's like mirrored?
Yeah.
And then once it's on the windshield, it'll give it like a prismatic hue. You'll see that like a rainbow hue coming across the windshield. And you see this 3M marking? There's 2 films that come with this 3M marking. There's crystalline and color stable. I'll pull out a roll of Color Stable right now.
I don't know if you guys can see.
Here.
It's gonna be it's gonna be hard to see. I can't even see it myself. Oh, it's right. It's right. Oh, there it is, right there, guys. So I guess look for that marking. Now, does that come off though?
That comes off with 70% isopropylene.
Okay. Now, do you have 50%? Because this 70 for 70%, that's pretty dark.
That's 70. Yeah.
I mean, I had 30 on the truck, and it doesn't even look this dark.
So I don't have a 30 in that, but what
How about a 50? If I do 50 on my windshield.
The only thing I have in stock right now is 70 on crystalline.
70, okay.
That's usually what we always do for windshields.
Yeah, I need to go a little darker on that.
Then you got CS. Okay, so this is color stable 50.
So this is not.
Is the only other film that has that 3M marking, but you should be able to see.
Yeah,
right
see,
on the
mine
top.
had the 3M marking.
This does too.
But this is not crystalline.
No.
Oh, this looks black. Doesn't look as shiny.
Look at the difference in the films.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
That's crystalline. And that right there is color stable. And notice this has markings as well.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Those are the only two films that come from them that have the 3M markings on it.
Okay.
So my advice is if you're paying less than like $900 for a tint job on a full vehicle, it's probably not.
Yeah, because it's expensive.
You know, if your windshield costs you less than $300, it's probably not crystalline.
All right, well, there you go, guys. You can, I guess.
You get what you pay for.
Yeah. Stay on the lookout for these tint guys. All right, he's here with lunch. Jimmy, what the hell did you order, dude?
They call us the Fat Tony.
Fat who? Fat who? What?
Fat Tony.
Fat Tony? They don't call it Fat Jimmy?
Well, allowed to be fat.
Oh, okay, no problem. Not a little Fat Tony there, huh? Damn.
It was a pound of meat and cheese.
See, you shouldn't put the tomato on there.
Yeah, I told him no tomato.
Oh, man. What, this is mine, Hector? Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. All right. I got, and I know you guys assume it's a carne asada, but it's not. I got a fat Steve over here. Damn, I got the Philly. Ooh, baby. All right, guys, so now Jimbo Slice Jesus, right?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure. The only reason I called him that because I see a box here. It says Jimbo Slice, or Jimbo Slice Jesus Print Supplies. So Mr. Jimbo Slice is now, he printed the camo, or the snow camo, and now he's getting ready to put the little, what is it, shiny stuff on it? Laminate. To make it shiny and protect it from the harsh elements out in the desert. But, you know, because generators going to be going through some harsh times out there, so we got to protect it as good as we can. All right, guys, this is going to be the last time you see old Blue over here. Blue, she's about to be wrapped in all snow camo and just looking good. Why? Well, mainly because I don't like the blue and because there's little scratches right here, right there. That kind of sucks. So we're going to get it all wrapped up and ready to go for the desert. Bam, just like that, guys. Comes on a roll. Ready for Steve to roll. How much is this? You said 6 feet?
6 feet, about 50 inches wide.
50 inches wide?
52 actually.
Well, where's that sticker? See, why can't I even feel it? Oh, it's right here, that shiny.
Yeah.
Oh. Damn, that looks good. There you have it, guys. We've just left Steve's shop, so hopefully that generator will be done here shortly. And also, we've got some parts, truck parts, coming in here. You know, this is like a must right here well, you know, I can't really show you yet because, well, just you're gonna have to stay tuned. But we got some parts there, we got some parts here, and also you guys tell me, you know, lift, suspension, cover, what you're gonna do. So I did pick a tonneau cover that I'm going to get. I picked a lift, I picked almost everything out, train horns, compressors. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll let you guys know all that stuff. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.